Hello my people, how una dey? I greet the full house. Una do well, so una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well well. Una do well for my body. My people, this one wey I carry come so e concern everybody. Because make we not talk say e no concern me na dem know. This one na our state, this one na our country. My people, this video I go put the full video, make una watch am. E happen for Akoko Edo. I first dey talk am say that country dem dey talk say e go better. Na when e go take better? Sometimes we go dey talk say bad government, bad this one, but sometimes e good make we sit down, make we still dey watch, make we still dey look people wey dem dey give job, wetin dem dey do. Because when people wey dem give job dem no dey do job well, na then dem come dey shout say this governor wey just dey so e no dey try, e no dey do anything. See the job wey e do, dem don everything wey e do don spoil finish. More na see work wey dem do for road, more na see road. I no know as I take talk am. E be like when you road be like when you make eba, you know say that eba wey you know dey draw, e go just make nyama if you na wow. That country don tire everybody. More na see road wey dem say dem do. When na money dem give dem make dem take do all this thing now, dem no do am well. More na see, if una see as I see am, I open my mouth, the mouth no gree close o. E no gree close. This one na road wey car wan pass. One I know say car dey very heavy. Maybe dey use hand take dey remove road wey dem say dem don concrete. This one na road. My brothers and sisters, make we dey talk true. People dey thief our money. They just thief am. They no dey do anything. They give them the money, say see money wey una take do road. If una no sabi do am, make dem other people wey sabi do am, make dem come do am. Some road dey for this our abroad wey dem don do for 20-30 years ago. They still dey pass that road, nothing do am. Una see new road wey dem just dey do. They never even say they finish am. Una see road na only hand na the man just take am for ground o. Everything just dey follow im hand dey go. Everything dey follow im hand. Na this one na road wey car wan pass, my people. No be only rain go just fall, only one rain go just fall, go just carry everything comot. E dey very bad, all these things wey dem dey do. No be say our country don get money, no be say dem no give dem the money. Dem just throw away for there, put am for there. Make people dey talk say dem dey work or dem dey do road dey go. Whereas dem no dey do anything. Carry sand put for there, carry cement just put am like that. Una see wetin dem do. Which rain na small rain go just fall, small one. Cause something wey hand just the man just dey touch am, everything just dey comot dey follow am. Na small rain go just fall, e go pack everything comot. Later dem come dey talk say no, na because of the rain too much. No, because rain dey fall for another place. Una no sabi work, una put another people wey know how to do work, make dem do am well. And this one wey me dey talk so, people no dey wey dey watch dem, na dey cause all these things. Like say this man no do this video now, nobody go know wetin dey go on. May I put the full video, more na watch am, more na see.
Oga, una good evening o, good morning o. My name na Person Great. My name na Alaba Lawane. Na how we wan take get Nigeria wey go work for all of us, na all of us dey fight for. Igara na my community, Akoko Edo na my local government. Nigeria na we country together. So if we dey see wetin no good, we go talk about am. When we do Secretariat Road, by the grace of God, when Edo State government do that Secretariat Road, I work for that Secretariat Road. And I know wetin I do there because na my community. If they say make I open reach here, I go open everything because I tell the white man Koro say, this one na my community. Wetin I fit do wey go help my community, I go do am. Today that road, e better pass the whole road wey dey Akoko Edo. If they wan count good road for Edo State, that local government road join am. Oga, make una see road wey dem dey do. Whoever see camera no vex. They don't ever do road where be say the drainage go stop at that dead end. Nothing there. This granite, the drainage where they see so concrete road no day. I don't know where they go carry plaster, the plaster wall. Road no day, nothing there. See the ground. They do and come reach there then. nothing there. Carry the video, they come, may you show me this thing. Waka they come, wabe kere korame, wabe. Waka come, follow me, come. Make they carry my matter go. You go do road. If they want do road, after you pour rat slash, you go post them. See road though. See my hand. Now the road where they do be this. See the road. Now me see. Now my bare hand be this. See am. You dey see am. If motor waka for this thing now, the very day go remove am. You dey see am. Now my hand that take the open now. So now our community be this. Which kind of rubbish be this one? I know say they go say the one where our people do senator, he not do. But that rubbish where they always talk say our bread is better than none. I kill Nigeria call it today. So if you want to do something, do and where. You not put stone base, you not put anything. At least now somebody award this contract. You should look at the contractor that is doing this job. You not go do anything. Then you will say they don't do it. At all, now the at all, now put us for where we did. So technical road, see how we they do this road. And the road does scatter finish. So carry motor, pass here, go down. And the road scatter. So this one now call even worse. Then they do drainage. How can you do a thing like this? You do drainage, you go end up for there. Carry this thing come. Now ordinary hand that take back. As far as when they say they do this thing, they provoke me. And one bastard they tell me say, I talk about road. Say they put out, they put dust. They never do one. Yes, I said they've not done it. That they do it now. I never talk about that. They do it now. Be this now. But when you say make they praise people good, I am not a praise singer. I will not sing the praise of anybody. How can you be doing this? You are not putting any road in a drainage. And you are doing a drainage, the drainage is stopped. For somewhere where we say, you don't get freedom, you know the flow go. You say you dey do road. What's the meaning of all this rubbish? See road. That night, don't there anywhere. See am. Me at the spoiler bomb. See am. They do this kind of thing. Where they don't do this kind of thing before. Where they don't do this kind of thing before. If you don't want to do, you don't do. You know that you did not do anything. See am now. See am. Now be this. See, I swear to God, if anybody, make una no worry. God they see all of us for this country where we go. Everybody when they are for this evil, when they happen for this country, tomorrow they'll say na Buhari. Tomorrow everybody go to point fingers at Buhari. Nothing. Small opportunity where we go get to represent our people. Well, no. My own community, God forbid bad thing. God forbid bad thing. See rubbish where they happen everywhere.
People don't come out.
See rubbish where they happen. They say make me, and they pray. Say make me, and they pray for people when they do wrong. Pray for what this. Pray for which rubbish. Pray for which rubbish. Why you gonna do this thing? Not if you tell me the not one. Where the water will flow through. Where the water will flow through. Where the water will flow for air. Where the water will flow for air. I don't get problem with this now. Now the bastard when they teach the one they do this nonsense. Now I get issue with. Now the bastard I get issue with. They'll give them money when they do something. They are supposed to share the money. They will do nothing. God will punish all of you. They will kill you. This road they will kill all of you. Zero. Now my ordinary hand. Now I tell the open now. So ordinary hand. See road where they do. See road where they do. Ogu kill that person. Ogu go kill the person. God go punish all of una. When they represent us, when they do it, God go kill all of una. Because the money they come, una they chop her. Many of una when they do this thing, Ogu go kill una. Other here who did. I'm a level there, you not put anything. See rubbish. See nonsense. If I put that for this road, then so all go open. All the road go open. You say make they appeal with the person. God will punish anybody when they do so. Anybody when they represent us, when they represent well, God will kill them. Me, I know they fear us. You don't get who no go die. If I die today now, don't die so. I know they fear anything. If I die today, I don't die, but everybody go die last time. Now road with this. Now road with this one. How you go to do this thing? You not pull road. You not pull road, you the cover am. You not pull road, you the cover am. It make any sense to human being? It better than call, you not go wash am. Does it make any sense? God they see all of us. No for me, my over make I dey go my house. I not first talk am. I pray if I dey come back live, make I no come from Igala again. Make I no even come from Akukwedo again. Go out, make you go see what they do there. Well, who will kill everybody throw away? For this local government, should be election they come to. Somebody say make a day happy say somebody they do. Which one that work with this? What will ordinary man they remove? Say I be APC I no talk. Who PDP help? Who APC help? Not be the thing put us for bad government today. So when we know they see food chop, we know they see water drink. Our children they sit down for ordinary ground for school. All our primary school, they no get here. All the roof that they leak for children head, they say we get government. Bad government. God go punish all of them. They not do them now. They not do and read the end of God. Una see Amabi. Now Baba do.
Somebody is already commenting.
They not do anything. Now rubbish that they do. May they come find me. If I die, I don't know everybody go to eventually die. People go to see the shoe, they don't go talk. They go to praise. They go to praise people. Hey, is the leader there? Is the chair there? Is the chairman there? They go to praise people. They go to praise people. They don't go talk true. They go to praise people. God, they see everybody. Oh, you know, girl will go down. Okay, you see through talker. They will know you for the true way they talk. Okay, now road, you see that where they do this kind of thing. You don't ever see where they do this kind of thing. Now, ordinary understand they open them. Okay, you don't ever see where they do road. They not put up, they not put anything. See, I'm not the ground with this. Not the ground with this. You don't see, I'm not be this. Not be this. Not the ground with this. May they carry me go police station. May they carry me go police station. Ogu go kill anybody where I want this contact. Ogu go kill the person where they do this. Any contractor where get do for this thing. Now this road go kill that person. God go punish anybody who get do for this thing. Now road with this. Road where my hands dey open. You dey touch am again. Now my boy says, Aberu corruption me na kwame. Meanwhile, you not be bad worker. That's why I'm corruption me. I just they open that part where you want part. So that they go see say na bad work the same way you do. Anyway, now your work you they do. Not be you send yourself. Now contractor will be thief. When they give work, where you do. Now they do this rubbish. Money where they go keep you, they don't go chop the money where you go die leave. You not go chop the money. Now you they do this thing so. You do. Hey, Mama, how are you? You not see bad work. Now local government. Now people waiting for the one they be thieves. Eh? Say una dey follow me work for site. I no go do this kind of rubbish for my own site. But no now. Then how you go pour rattlers for ground? As you pour rattlers for ground finish. As you pour rattlers for ground finish, you no put stone base. You begin the pour quota on top. You begin the asphalt the road. Does it make any sense? That one never even come do. You are doing the gutter. They don't put any road. As if say nobody go ask. And true, the Igala people that they behave like people who no get sense. Okay, any Igala person wey be real Igala, he no go open his two eyes.
You go come scatter am.
He go dey happy for
You go come scatter am, drive everybody. You no fit try am for Auchi now.
Akukwedo keep quiet.
You no go fit try am for Auchi.
Opportunity Osu Umozi. Which state may you not kill my pikin?
Na dey do so.
Which kind of rubbish be this one? Which kind of rubbish be this
You
one?
try
You
am
fit
for
try
Auchi
this
na
rubbish now for
They go
Auchi.
scatter am.
You no fit now.
Na to scatter
You
am now.
no fit now. Which kind of nonsense be this one?
Okay, see the
Which
floor.
kind of rubbish
See
be
the
this
floor,
one?
see the floor. You know
What's the
everything.
meaning of this?
The floor, there's no-
What is the meaning of this? I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I not get any leader. As far as Akukwedo, nobody. Now God be my leader. You understand? I'm not interested in any fucking politics. You understand? If anybody kill me today like this now, the person too go die tomorrow. My mama don't die. If my mama fit die, no girl no fit die. Now the day my mother die, I know say nobody no fit die. So may everybody don't forget this rubbish where they happen for this community. Now nonsense. God they see everybody money. We go bury one my mother best friend just now. Everybody dey die. As she die, we will go bury her today, so she don't carry anybody follow go. Now only she go. The money where she go even gather, leave and go. You understand? My brother, I'm not happy. My mind no sweet. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. One bastard they tell me for Facebook say, the road when they talk say they pour dust. That time where dust full here. When be say nobody all the whole house, you go dey pass, dust go dey cover your eye. And they complain say make they do am. And they do that they do so. Somebody say make her they clap. They happy. They never do and reach the end though. They never even come do the rubbish. Come see road. See road. This stupid road. All these brothers, all these things what they do go so. Road no day. See rubbish. See drainage where they say they do. Check am where the water they flow go. Nowhere, there. If the water flow cross come like this. If the water come out from here, now so it go go stop for down there again. You know they go anywhere. And we say we get community. Oga, even the bricklayer where they work, all of una my people, we they work together. Now una community be this. Now like this they go they do now always until all of you, me, you, our children, we not see food chop again. Now then una go understand what they do. Una never understand now. They tell una no understand what they happen. Until they turn us to puppet finish. Now una go understand. Ordinary my finger, my hand. Don't see those way they do. My hand they remove road. 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 See am na road be this. Road where they do for us. They don't put anything. They don't put on top of red sand. On top of poto. On top of poto. See am. On top of poto now they put they say make they clap for them. Clap for which nonsense? Clap for which animal? Clap for which anybody? Anybody? Nonsense. Say that they do road in the quarrel. Now road be this. Stupid road. May go kill anybody wait to say that they do road me at the quarrel. May go kill the person. Honorable may go kill the person. May the person not live long. Anybody wait talk rubbish say me at the talk nonsense. May the person not live long. Now my community be this. Which kind of nonsense is this one? Okay, this road first day better pass this one. This road is fine now. You see wahala. You see wahala. They say that they which kind of stupid politics. I beg anybody for position. You know go lawyer. Nobody I be architect. Oga see, our primary schools there. Chair no day. Every day, na me they beg money. Na me they beg people money. They build chair for our schools. And they build chair now. Come, you follow me for perfect. And they build chair for Rere primary school now. Every day, na me go beg money. They build chair. We get chairman. We get everything. Social. I beg, come see. Nothing there this place. Come see am. Road no day. Road no day. Oga road no day. See am. Zola come see road no day. Road no day. I no fit do this kind of work for ordinary human being. How much more government work? Government to go and advance. They say that they advance so. Rubbish work. Nothing. Every day, me they do rubbish work before, but this one worse.
Now guess they did this thing today.
I never see them put kota for on top of potato. On top of next time they will put kota. Stone base no dey nothing stone.
I come here yesterday, come complain. I complain here. This one not be road.
See, who hide the head, he go die. Who no hide the head, he go die. If I die today, I not die tomorrow. Who feel say, someone is there, God go punish the person for one side. Now ordinary hand, I can remove this one, ordinary hand. Rubbish, ordinary hand. Or go kill the person. If I commit my plan be say, as I come past this place in the morning, if I dey come back, Make God carry the contractor man meet am for tie and rope. I go beat am. Well, only me. I no beg anybody make dem follow me. Because wetin our youth sabi is the chair there, is the leader there. Man get 1K there, na him dey sabi. Me na one man squad, I go come out on my own. God there with me. I no dey fear anybody. Our children dey suffer for school. I go already primary school. Oga, pause that video. I go ride you go there now. Pause that video. I go ride you go. See, we'll start new video for there. I go already primary school.